What up? I'm at the shop, and we are starting the new project. It's a C5 Corvette. We got Brandon pulling some stuff off already. Basically, just a big single turbo. It's a 83 or 84?
88.
Oh, 88? Oh, okay. 88 millimeter turbo. Big old boy. And yeah, we're just getting everything stripped down. What else is he doing to it?
He's doing a RPM level X trans, diff, Viking coilovers, 4 triple pump fuel system.
The works.
Build 6. He's getting the works. It's gonna
He's
be
getting
fast
the
car.
works. So yeah, 1,000 plus.
Oh, easy.
1,000 plus. The weather's good outside, as you can see by the groms. It's grom season, ladies and gentlemen.
Full swing.
So within like 10 minutes, I was fixing to go leave and grab some food on the grom. And as soon as I'm about to get on, Brandon's like, yeah, I just dropped the whole bottom half of the car.
Easy.
Easy. Oh, man. So everything... Shit, I just kicked the floor dry.
God damn it, Enrique.
So yeah, everything is just dropped.
Yeah, literally, the whole bottom half of the car's dropped.
And now what's the next move?
I'm just gonna get everything on the ground. We got the tranny in and everything already, so I'm just gonna swap it over under the new cradle and then swap the new torque tube on and all that. And then after that, I'll just be waiting on the motor.
Oh yeah.
Start dropping the fuel tanks out after this.
So the C5 has his Viking coilovers right here. And we got all his gauges and all that good stuff, and then the little pillar. What up? What up?
So check out the new sauce, nigga.
Ooh. Oh yeah. And Cantu Racing slides. Put your orders in.
Put your orders in.
Yes,
Hating ass because they ain't got a period yet. They hate because they ain't got a period yet.
Nike, baby.
Got everything just sitting. Oh yeah.
Free coronavirus, baby.
So what we got going on here?
This is Mr. Eddie C5 Corvette. He bought this car a while back. He's been saving up. It was supposed to just be like a stock bottom end motor turbo car. Well, that escalated. So now we have full coilovers all the way around. Vikings, spindles, strange brake kit, 416 stroker, Texas speed, or the PRC fully ported heads, which you got right there. 6 bolts. This is Mr. Eddie, by the way.
Say what's up, man.
There's his brand new heads. Check them out. Check them out.
Let me get some of that. Clean, clean.
Big single turbo kit, some custom fab, big fuel system, the whole 9 yards. 1,000 plus build, fully built RPM level 10X, I think. 10X trans, right? Yeah, 10X trans brake, the whole work. Got to send the diff off, get 32s, 20 conversion, all that stuff. So should be pretty rowdy. Whole lot of shaft, ladies. It's got the carbon drive shaft on the inside. Brand spanking new. Big converter for big launches, for big spools. Big power.
Oh yeah.
Little 60 foots.
Little 60. Man, he put in some work. He basically took everything off.
Much, yes, shell now.
She's just sitting. Got some little piping mocked up.
It's got an aluminum radiator, dual fans, some piping. 454 big block Chevrolet. No, I'm just kidding. It's got a big race intercooler. It's already all mounted up.
See that? Man, she clean.
It's all just mocked up. We still got a bunch of boltings on and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
FYI, everybody, Thomas is still asleep. That is the shop foreman, so be sure to get on him.
And this was just a little flood car?
I don't know, was it?
Yeah. Flood fire in Houston. Got it running in about a week and torn apart shortly after.
Right after.
And now we got basically almost a full-out race car with everything just sitting right there.
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
We'll probably start out, I don't know, 800
800.
to start out with, just so we can get the setup, everything, set up, coilovers, all that stuff.
Get some bigger injectors and make 1,000.
Oh yeah.
And then after that, it's pretty much just whatever he wants to turn it up to. I mean, it's got a, what is it, 88?
Yeah.
An 88?
88 millimeter.
Yeah, I'll call 11, 12, 13. Alright.
It's all up to this man.
Yep.
Isolation pros, everyone. You did turbo. But it's too wide, so we're just gonna cut it. Make the whole little bolts. It goes right here. That's good.
What's going on with this one?
What's up? Just got the Lund sauce in. Got the final revision. Gonna go out and make some pulls with you, get some videos of it. So should be good to go. Got the radios on, 17s. She's at about like 6 pounds of boost, pump gas. See what it does.
Oh yeah, got the GoPro mounted for some exhaust clips.
Yo.
Gonna make some data log. Come on. Oh yeah. Hear them boys spooling.
Yo. Put a little climate control, drop her down. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Still a little street car.
Want to give a good shout out to Lund. My boy Dakota. Got the drip drip. Got that good sauce on there.
Oh yeah.
It's only like 6 pounds. It's a good little street car, good fun, reliable. Did oil pump gears, injectors, the wrist plugs, all that good stuff. He's gonna save up for about a month or so, and then do the big fuel system so that way we can turn it up to 1,000 horsepower stock motor, stock trans. I'm sure the trans will go out somewhere in between there, so we'll yank it out, put the clutches in it, do all that good stuff, and then drop it right back in. See what we can get out of it. So he's pretty pumped. We're pumped. So he's trying to turbo 400 swap it, but I told him he should probably get used to this first. It's his first car, you know, with this much power. So
Oh yeah, definitely. Jumping straight to a turbo.
going from a stock car to you know 600-ish horsepower car, twin turbo, is pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
So he's got a little used to, getting used to. Definitely ordering this digital dash for mine though.
Oh dude, that thing is sauce as hell.
Oh yeah, the white one's definitely getting the digital dash.
Definitely.
Then I just ordered the carbon package for it, so it's gonna have carbon fiber all here, everywhere,
Oh,
steering
yeah.
wheel, carbon, all that stuff. So
And big plans, big plans.
pretty excited about that. So get a good little excitement out of it. I can only track race it right for right now though, no street racing. Unfortunately. Yeah. We're gonna come up here a little ways, let some traffic run out a little bit, and then make some quick logs.